In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly explained in 10 minutes. We're going to walk through how to get started with Formly from the very beginning. So if you're brand new to the platform, this will be a simple and clear introduction. First, open your preferred web browser and search for GetFormly. From the search results, look for the official GetFormly website and open it. Once you land on the homepage, take a quick moment to get familiar with the layout so you know you're in the right place. Before we continue, if you want to try the platform for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description. That's the easiest way to follow along while watching this tutorial. Now on the homepage, look for a button such as Get Started, Sign Up, or something similar. Click that button to begin creating your account. You'll be taken to the registration page where you can enter the required details to sign up. Typically, this includes your email address and a password. If Formly offers other sign-up options, like continuing with another account provider, you can also choose one of those, depending on what's most convenient for you. Once your information is entered, complete the registration process. After signing up, Formly may ask you to verify your email address. If that happens, open your email inbox and look for the verification message from Formly. Open that email and click the verification button or follow the instructions provided inside the message. This step is important because it helps activate your account and ensures you can access everything properly. Once your account is verified, return to the Formly website. From there, enter your account credentials and click the login button or the equivalent option shown on the screen. After logging in, you should arrive at the main dashboard. At this point, take a moment to look around the dashboard. This is the main area where you'll manage your account and work with your forms. Briefly review the key sections or navigation options so you understand where the most important tools are located. This helps new users feel more comfortable before they begin creating anything. Next, go to the area where you can start creating or managing forms. This is where most users will begin after signing up. Demonstrate the first basic action a beginner would take, such as opening the form creation area or selecting the option to make a new form. Keep it simple and focus on showing where to begin rather than going too deep. And that's it. You now know how to sign up for GetFormly, verify your account, log in, access the dashboard, and begin using the platform through the website. If you want to try it yourself, remember that you can use the affiliate link in the description.